So the question here is asking, what is the time complexity of the code below? And as we can see, we have two for loops. This outside for loop is doing in I equals 0, I less than size, and then I plus plus. And then the second for loop, the inside one, is doing j equals 0, j less than 10, and I plus plus. And so because the outside is doing I less than size, we know that that is O of n. And because the inside is doing j less than 10, which is a constant time, we know that's O of 1, so O of constant time. And with that being said, when we put those together, we're just going to drop the 1 and go with O of n. And so that is our answer choice here.